Have you heard the term make money while you sleep? Pretty cool, right? Let's talk about the 3 ways to do it. The first way to make money while you sleep is going to be automated systems, okay? The allure of making money while you're not working can be solved and can be achieved by creating automatic systems that do the heavy lifting for you. So, for example, you can have an ad running, say on Facebook, and it's sending people to a page where you're collecting their email address in return for something, okay? They're opting in for your content and for your email list. And then your email list, your autoresponder sequence, can be making sales for you by delivering maybe some free content and then offering recommendations of products that you're promoting as an affiliate. And now you can have an ad running for you and your email sequence doing all the hard selling for you. So having tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of email leads that we've collected over the years, we're able to create automatic selling machines without putting in actual work to try to sell people on our offerings. So creating a sequence of emails that delivers value, warms people up, and gets them to buy your stuff is the very first way of creating an automatic income while you sleep. The second way is called recurring commissions. So you can actually promote products on ClickBank that have rebills, okay? Rebills are products that allow you to get commissions every single month because customers are being charged every month for maybe a membership site or something like that that has ongoing content. So when you're perusing the marketplace, you can see products that have recurring commissions, rebills, and you can promote those products. And once you make a sale, the next month, without doing anything, maybe while you're asleep, you could be making more money from all of the subscriptions that are getting renewed. So think of it like Netflix, right? Netflix, you might be paying for monthly and they're getting your money every single month without doing any extra work. And the third way, which is my favorite, is creating your own products that have recurring billing. You can set something up like a membership site where you're giving free content every week and people are paying every week or every month for that content. Maybe all it is actually a training that you're doing on a webinar or on a phone call, a group phone call, and you're charging them for access to your trainings or your Q&As every single week. When you have your own product, you can attract affiliates to promote your product for you. And this is amazing because you can wake up to affiliates who are selling your product for you. They're doing the grunt work. They're running ads. They're sending it out to their email list. They're putting it on their blog. They're working hard to make a commission, and you're earning money as the product owner, the vendor. And not only are you earning money from each sale, but when you set up a membership site, you're also earning money every single month from those sales that have a rebuild. So this is my very favorite way of making recurring money or making money while you sleep, is creating your very own membership site. So those were the 3 ways of making money while you sleep. Creating automatic systems such as an email autoresponder sequence that's doing the selling for you. 2 is promoting other people's products that have recurring billing already built in, so when you make a sale, you're also going to make money when those people rebuild the next month. And the 3rd way is creating your own membership sites where you can make money every single month as the product owner, but you're also attracting affiliates to do the selling for you for a commission, which is pretty amazing. So that's it. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, leave a comment to let us know what you think, and we'll talk to you in the next one.